Hey, it's Bubbly Kawaii, and this is my very first video. So, it's just Kawaii Lilia, so don't worry, and please subscribe to me. So, in my very first video, I'm gonna show you my squishy collections. Squishy collection since I have traded with Sammy's Kawaii. So yeah, first I have this sugar caterpillar. Yes. Okay, Bengal squishy. This daughter squishy. If you want to know where I bought the squishies, just DM me. But sometimes I'm like, yeah, just got in from a store that is like, yeah, without a store without a name. Yeah, like, yeah. So yeah, I'm back, and that's my friend. Yeah, this honeybit Bedu, like, yeah, have like 4 Bedu squishies. Yeah, and then I have this X-Bun, this stone squishy, this Hello Kitty stress ball or squishy. And then I have this donut squishy, the drizzles, then this star squishy or stress ball, then this tiger pancake. So yeah, then I have this oopsies, honeybit or nutty bread. Like, yeah. So next I have this rare loaf. Yeah. Oh. This braided bread. Yeah. See. It's like poop, but it's not. Yeah. And then I have this breakfast rest. This amazing breakfast rest. Yeah. Yeah. Then I have this football squishy, which is like the colors like has like faded. So anyways, this shush. This Rotito sweet and this toast. Yeah, have that. And then I have this big squishy, and it has a real big defect over there. Yeah, then that defect. But anyways, I wanna fart. Yeah, I really wanna fart. No, just joking. And then this alien toast. Yeah, fireworks. There are fireworks in here. And this really soft, you can see. Really soft and squishy. Yeah. And then I have this Rilakkuma, pink Rilakkuma cupcake. MCD stretch full strap. Then this the squishy. Yeah. Oopsies. Then I have this red wrist rest like that. Just going to put it in the side. And then I have this edible gummy bear. Can eat it. It says squishy though. This heart squishy for my crush. No, I'm just kidding. Then this Kiss Face one really defected. Then I have this okay. This Rilakkuma lying position, this Rilakkuma headband, and then this really defected Ant-Man man. And then I have this waffle squishy mirror, this swirl squishy. See, I am the one who packaged this one, and my little brother helped me. If you're wondering what's his name is Miguel. I named him. I'm the one who named him, so yeah. I got this from my brother, and then this donut from me. Yeah. Pretty exciting, right? This Kermit bun from the Sweet Kawaii Liana LP. Like, my first video is a failure. Lastly, I have this Berry Sweetie. So yeah, that's all with my very first video. So yeah, and this is such a failure. And yeah, bye guys. Subscribe.